Hello everyone, this is your Kumari, no? I am going for this video, I am going to teach you if you can survive Japan on a budget. Of course, pwede. So kapag kaganyan, convenience will be your best friend. So what are convenience? Convenience are convenience stores. So it's like 7-Eleven, Lawson, Family Mart. Those are convenience here in Japan. No, marami pang iba. So these are the food I got from the conveni for today. Okay, we woke up late. This is our rest day. Okay, so what do we have here for breakfast? You can get a sandwich. No, it's not expensive, but it's healthy. So for this is 269, but with tax it's 289. Okay, so this one, you can have this one for breakfast. When converted, it will cost you around 115 pesos. So parang Japanese yen times 0.40 plus the parang conversion charge ng mga bank ninyo. Okay, so this is around 115 pesos, no, 268 Japan yen. So this can be your breakfast. The egg sandwich is very yummy. That became my favorite. The tuna sandwich on the other side, no, I haven't tried it. Kaya yung magkaibang kinuha ko. Pero actually, merong ganyan na parehas silang egg sandwich. Okay? The other one, no, you can have this one for your lunch. Okay? So that is 689 pesos with tax. When converted, it's less than 300. Let's say 680, roughly around 680, no? So what's inside? You have parang tonkatsu. Masarap yung meat, hindi tinipid, makapal yan. You wanna see? Okay, you wanna see? You know, makapal yung meat. And then underneath, may spaghetti siya, may gulay. So it's cheap, it's healthy, and the quality, it's good. Hindi naman siya, ano, yan. So I had it heated in the convenience store. Okay, in the conveni. Okay, and then this one for your, sabihin na natin dinner. Okay, so 518, sabihin mo ng around, sige, with tax, 559, sabihin mo ng mga 220 pesos. So, let's say, 220 pesos, 300, no? So, mga 520, plus, sabihin mo ng 115, so, mga, magkano na yun? 500, so, siguro mga, you can survive 600 for lunch, breakfast, dinner. 600 to 700. And then, lagay mo na para safe. 1,000 for food in a day. So,